Guys, today we're gonna play Roblox. You can be a firefighter. Okay, I know how to drive a firefighter, but how do you open the light? No, no. Open the stupid light. Okay. God. Oh crap, I got the wrong button. Damn it, I don't have to drive this fire truck. Oh my god, this guy has a gun. Run away. Crap. Stop. Ah! Oh. Oh. Turn the siren. What now? I crashed the car. Okay, this game sucks. Okay, I don't want to play this game. Okay, you have to like the video, and then I don't know how to drive this fire truck, and I had a gunshot. They're trying to shoot me. How to play this game so hard? Okay, yeah. Why this game? This game's so hard. So you have to goodbye.